specified the mechanism and set some open and closed positions, the next step for us to do is to set the tool center point. This is the point at which the programming will seek to position the welder or the part in order to make its operation complete. The first thing we're going to do then is measure the distance between the two angles at the closed position, 0.54 inches, and we'll aim to put the tool center point halfway between those points. The tool center point is in fact a frame, or it's a design point within a frame. It's a special type of design point. In this case it's a tool point. So we'll select frame type and we'll select tool in this case, just show you that, and it will again specify the frame of interest that that's applied on and the plane on which it's applied. In this case it's a bit fiddly. Here I'm using 3 points on the circumference of a circle method of defining a plane, and it takes a little while to pick that up. Okay, that's fine. And we see our tool 1 frame appear under frame of reference in the tree. I'm now going to snap the compass onto that tool point. You don't see it immediately because it's actually based on the geometry of the frame at its datum right down at the bottom of the yellow component part. You see it down there. And I'm just going to go into the compass editing and I'm just going to change it so that we give it a 0.27 inch offset on the W axis. So I'll do that and we can close that, and you'll now see when I close that we can now zoom in, and you'll notice the tool center point is positioned there midway between the two caps. It's in orange at the moment, which doesn't show up so well, so I'll just click off the frame of interest and it goes black. There it is. So there's our tool center point on a mechanism which has a prismatic mechanism on joints between the piston and the base, which is fixed. And I'm going to save that now as Pedwelder 1.3. Okay, that device is now ready to use, and we'll see it later on in some of the exercises or some of the examples that I show you.